Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you think that you are somebody who just does not like olive oil, let me tell you, you have got to try this Morocco Gold olive oil. This oil is probably the most mellow and smoothest tasting olive oil that I've ever tried. It has this rich, full olive oil flavor without being really in your face. It has really slight pepperiness like you come to expect from olive oil, but it's not too spicy or too much of that tingly or burning sensation in the throat. When I was using this olive oil, there was actually a little left in my measuring spoon, and I actually just took it straight. It tasted just lovely and it went down so easy. If I were somebody who wanted to take olive oil daily as a supplement, this is probably the one that I would take. It strikes a really good balance. It has those definite olive oil notes without having that strong bite that can be a bit of an acquired taste with some other olive oils. I think it makes a great all-purpose olive oil. I have never personally used olive oil as the starring ingredient in any dessert, but the delicate flavor of this olive oil inspired me to try making olive oil cake. This cake was just wow. It was so soft, moist, and fluffy. I couldn't get enough of it. It seems to me that this would be the perfect olive oil to include in your baking. In my opinion, this is the olive oil for all you olive oil haters out there. And that's my point of view.